Hi friends, let me show you this new folding cooler table that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a great unit for any party, for your patio, for your office, anywhere. Let me show you. Okay. And we are going to put together the... You can have a drain here. This way you can have the water coming from the ice directed to a garden or to a bucket or to the main drain. Perfect. And if you don't want water to run when you are using it, you can put this stopper here, so water will accumulate in the table. Let me show you. Now we are going to install the shelf that it comes with. So that's it. This is a useful shelf to put maybe glasses, cups, whatever you need for your party. And now we have the bucket to get the water from the drain. Let me show you how beautiful this will look. Now we're going to install the optional skirt, that it will make our cooler table look pretty. As you can see, the skirt, it's really beautiful. Really easy to install with the provided Velcro strips. There you have it. Makes it look very beautiful and professional for any activity. Let's put it together. Now we're going to put some ice. Okay. You can put your favorite beverage, waters, beers, wine, even fruits. Perfect. So you can see you have a really nice cooler table that you can use in any activity in your home, in your office, in a party, in the park. This is a really, really nice addition to any outdoor party. Of course, you can put more ice depending on the weather. And remember, the water will be collected in the table, but when you open this drain, it will go to the bucket or to wherever you put the drainage hose to, okay? So it's a great addition to any party. Perfect. Really nice with the skirt.